Now the koalas come right up to me, no prompting. And he might claw me, it might hurt. I think I can take it. Oh, I love him. Oh, you are so adorable, little koala. Hello? Hi, sweetie. Oh, you are just one. Oh, that hurts. Yes, it does hurt. Oh, it sure does. Oh, it hurts. Oh, I love you, koala. Oh, he just climbed right up. Can you take a photo of me and my lovely koala? Oh, it's okay, sweetheart. Aren't you adorable?